tries to bite me.
His claws hurt.
Go get it. Where's his bone?
On the thing?
That's Cody's bone.
Where's he going?
Cody.
He doesn't know where he's going.
Come on, Cody. Hey.
Oh, he just attacked you. His claws stabbed into my belly. That really, really hurt.
Here's your bone.
Hey, next.
Here's your bone, Cody.
No.
Oh, he's still learning his name.
I think that's his bone.
No, because Ace is the one who has a half cheek off.
I think that's...
Yeah, but there's bones up there. Oh.
His bone is missing. I don't know where the puppy's
Hey,
bone is.
baby. Oh, oh, oh.
No, that's not his. That's Cody's. Because he's right there.
Okay. Ow, ow, oh. Oh, he really wanted to play with me.
Maybe if we let him on the couch.
I got fur on my lips.
Come here.
Is he okay? Oh,
Cody's like,
Did you see him just put his paw and tell Cody to get out of the way?
here.
No, he's biting.
Here, put it on the couch. This is what happens. If you like
There's his bone.
oh, put it right there.
There we go. He's falling right there.
Did you see it? I'll sit right here next to it, dog.
Okay, no, you need to scoot your stuff over. You're driving me nuts.